this call is because understand Ezekiel is in a moment now that he didn't want to be there, because who want to go to a place called Tribal Baptist? Come on, talk to me here. And he didn't get nobody to give him an emotion. There was not a conference nor emotion on the table. All of a sudden he said, the hands of the Lord. But when you got direction from the divine, I wish I had somebody here that wanted to have divine. Tell somebody it was a challenge to the call. But whenever you understand that, watch what Ezekiel said, he had to realize is that whenever you brothers and sisters, when you have situations in your life that defile human reason, you need to have a heavenly resources. You got to have heavenly resources. But when you have stuff in your life that defiles human reason, and you got to have heavenly resources, you got to make an honest response by saying, like Ezekiel said, thou knowest. That word knoweth in the Hebrew word is Yada. Sit down for a minute. Yes, Yada. And tell somebody that they had a challenge of the call, and he said to them, but you see, brothers and sisters, when you have direction, and can I preach to y'all? When you have direction from the divine, you got a challenge to the pride, to the call. You got to understand something, that now you got to cruise with Christ. All right. You got to cruise with Christ. Watch this. He says, let us. I didn't make it up. It's right there. Don't you hear it? It's right here. And he said, let us. Everybody said, I'm cruising with Christ. And you see, I don't know about you all, but brothers and sisters, do you mean to tell me that I didn't know that cruising with Christ was going to require us to do this? And ever since I've been cruising with Christ, I've been having some ups and I've had some downs, but I've had some good days, but my good days outweigh my bad days. Ever since I've been cruising, since I come in here tonight cruising with Christ. If I got anybody in here tonight that's cruising with Christ on your road, look at your neighbor and tell your neighbor, I'm cruising with Christ. I'm cruising because he says, let us. He didn't say let you all go. Because you see, you got to realize that, brothers and sisters, God is not some Negro that tell you that he gonna be with you, and then when times get tough. But when you're cruising with Christ, you have Emmanuel. God is with us. Tell somebody, I'm cruising with him. But when I got in the car tonight, how many of y'all got in the car cruising with Christ? Came down the road cruising with Christ. And tell somebody, I'm going back home tonight, and I don't get in my car, but I'm going to cruise with Christ. So when you got the direction of the divine, you got to understand that you got to cruise with Christ. He didn't say that I'm just going to allow you, because you see, God is not the kind of God that gives us vision without provision. I don't understand these folks that always try to put God in everything and say, God told me to do this. And you see, if you cruising with Christ, you got to realize that the Christ is with you. You see, what they don't understand is that even though that the fellows are listen here, is cutting up. But you see, listen here, fellowship only means, when you say fellowship, it only suggests that he's with the fella in the ship. And only time whenever you say I got fellowship with God, you just suggesting that you got the fella in the ship with you. And how many of y'all know that right now he's with you tonight? He's with you. Look at somebody and tell your neighbor he's with you. But you see, when you got direction, I ain't gonna hold you long. When you got direction from the divine, you got to understand that that's gonna be a challenge to your call. You're gonna cruise with Christ, but you got to have a contingency of character, because he said, let us pass over. Now I got to stop that tonight, because I'm trying to figure out why didn't Jesus, because Jesus could have very well told these guys, I tell you what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go around this lake. We're going to go around this lake. I know a shortcut. I know a little, I know a little path to get through here. I know a little, we're going to just turn around. But he says that you gotta have some character to go across. Let us pass over. Now underline that, brothers and sisters, because there's something that Jesus did not say that they were going to pass under, but pass over. And what you don't realize is tonight is that God has a way of developing your character as you pass over. Because some